This is what we had installed in the last session, Burpsuite Community Edition. The proxy is coming in between the communication, reading all the contents and making certain changes to that request made by the client. Instead of 500, if I change it and make it 5 rupees, so what will happen? I will get that pen for 5 rupee. Instead of the quantity as 1, I can change the quantity as 5. So instead of getting 1 pen for 500, now I can get 5 pens for 5 rupees. You can just imagine how dangerous it is, right? So that is where Burpsuite can be used. It is just one of the examples where Burpsuite can be used. This was all about the theory behind interception. So let's just get going and see how to do this actually. So very first step is go to proxy, which I have already shown. Now what happens is, this is in real life it is not as easy as we are going to show today, but for demonstration purpose I will show you how this is done on a machine. Suppose that machine is a part of a network. If you have access to the computer present in that lab, I will tell you how we can exploit this computer and make use of something called as a Burpsuite tool. Okay, so what you need to do is, suppose I am just assuming that you have access to that computer. Simply go to your Burpsuite and there is this option called as open browser. If you see that, just make sure intercept is turned off. Okay, so open your Burpsuite and you will be able to see something called as open browser. Click on that. Yeah, so this is how the browser will look like. This is basically a Chrome based browser, or we can say Chromium based browser, which is already installed inside Burpsuite. But ideally this is not used because in real world you need to have the access of that browser. Okay, for demonstration purpose we are going to make use of this. So I will simply paste that link and try to open it. Now you can see whatever link I had shared, you can copy that link and paste it over here, and you will be able to see something like this on your screen. Basically this is a lab experiment that we are going to perform today inside Burpsuite, right? So kindly create your account on Portswigger. So kindly go to login and create our account. Let me do one thing. I will create a temporary account. I will create a temporary account using any temporary email generators. If it opens, any temporary email account should work. Yeah, so I hope you're following me. So those who have not yet created their accounts, they can simply use something like this temporary account, temporary emails. Fine, so let me use this email ID, copy this and paste it over here. Click on register. It will register obviously, and now I should get the details to my account. See, Portswigger, complete your registration. So if I click on here and open this on a new tab, I should be able to complete the registration. Write your name, write any name. I will use the same name from that email ID. Click on register. Copy this password somewhere. This is very important. I had told you that you have to copy this and keep it secure somewhere. So I will paste it over here on my notepad. Right? And now log into your account. While logging in, you need the same email address which you had used for registration. So I will again copy this, paste it over here. Now instead of the password, you need something like this which you have copied just now. Paste it and click on login. So this is how the interface shall look like. Now again go to that link which I had shown, this particular one. And now you would be able to access the lab without any issues. Click on access the lab and this page should load like this. It's loading. It's basically a virtual lab where you would be provided with a website and you need to hack that website using whatever steps you are going to follow right now. So this is a website. This is nothing but, assume it like something similar to Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart. It's a virtual shopping website, as you can see. Clear? So now what happens is, on quite similar to any online website, you have the option of logging into your account. So to access your cart, you need to log into your account, and for logging in, there is this option called as my account. So click on my account, and for temporary purpose they have given this credentials also. I am copying the credentials over here. These are the credentials which you need to use to log into that account. I hope you are able to see this on your screen. Simply copy them and paste them and log into your account. So this is a temporary account created just for the purpose of doing some kind of attack. Now you can update your email, something like that. But what is important is, if you see, we are having some credits assigned to us, $100 virtual credits, which you can use on this website. Obviously you can't buy something, but this is nothing but a virtual currency or virtual money which you can use to purchase something on this virtual lab. Fine. So now what we need to do is, let's go to the home page. So this is the home page which you can see in front of you. Now click on this very first product, that is lightweight leather jacket. Okay, click on this product. You can click view details and it should pop up like this, something like this. Don't do anything else, don't add anything to the cart as of now. Simply click on view details and this should pop up on your screen. So now we need to make use of our Burpsuite. So you can see on the right hand side we are having Burpsuite. Now go to proxy and click on this intercept is off once. If you click this, it should turn blue. Now you can see intercept is on. So now intercept is on. Now you what you need to do is go back to your website, your shopping website, and now you can click on add to cart once. Simply click on it and see what is happening. Only click once, don't panic, only click once, and you can see that your web page is loading. Yes or no? Nothing is shown on the website, it is simply loading. Yes or no? Something is loading but it's not yet showing on the screen. So it is loading but it has not shown the result yet. Why? If you remember, we are using something called as a proxy. So over here Burpsuite is acting as that proxy. It is reading the request from the client from the browser, but it has still not sent that request to the server. So that is why it is still not showing any result. But what I will do right now is go back to your Burpsuite and click on that forward button only once. You will see something like this. If you are able to see this, it's basically something called as product ID at the bottom, last line. Product ID, product and quantity equal to 1, price is 13370. So what exactly is what exactly are these? These are nothing but the parameters which are sent when we click on add to cart. So these parameters are sent on the browser through the URL. So what we can do is, instead of that 133700, I will make it to only 1. So as an attacker, I am coming in between the communication. I am changing the price of that product from 133770 or whatever it was to 1. You can just imagine what I am doing right now. Obviously this cannot be done in this should not be done in a real world scenario, otherwise you will be behind the bars the very next day. Keep everything else same, only change the price from 13370 or whatever it was to 1. And now if we are all on the same page, simply go and click forward once. Something like this should pop up. So now what you need to do is pay attention carefully. You simply go and click on intercept on and make it off. Go back to your cart and check whether, yeah, you can see and see the price. It was originally 133770, something like that, and now I can get the same item for $0.01 or 1 cent. So if I click on place order, it will be placed. Yeah, see this, the original price was 1337, but now I am able to place the order at $0.01. Congratulations, you have solved the lie.